My name's John Gomes, and I am manager of professional services at RSMeans Gordian. We're the experts in conducting third-party analysis of time and motion studies. In this particular project, we would collect the data and really calculate what is the labor cost savings of installing one product over the other. What's extremely important is having the same exact crew composition, doing the installation and every single trial. That ensures that we maintain a consistent work pattern on all trials for all installations on all the products.
We're here now at Home Innovation Research Lab conducting a time study with our product LP SmartSide ExpertFinish and our competition product to see which installs better, easier, and faster.
LP siding was much easier installing and cutting. Because LP siding cuts like plywood, you don't get dust that much. You don't have to use any special like vacuum, so that's saving a lot of time. Regular siding, you have to put papers, any metal behind the overwrap the siding because it's water going behind it. But LP siding is already pre-made, so you don't have to do that.
With the shiplap process on the ExpertFinish, it's going to eliminate your need for caulking and flashing in your butt joints. With the shiplap process, the actual butt joint is concealed and covered and protected from the weather. LP SmartSide, being an engineered wood product, is much lighter than the fiber cement. It's approximately half the weight. So as they're actually installing and moving product up and down scaffolds, it's less fatigue on the installer. It comes in 16-foot pieces versus fiber cement's 12-foot. So you're going to get a faster coverage, ours being more flexible. We're generating less waste and getting more coverage and really a better bang for your buck.